Hello everyone and welcome to the gorgeous countryside just outside of Santa Eulalia, and today we find ourselves at a beautiful home that goes by the name of Villa Fantasia. Now, it's pretty rare that a home comes to market that so perfectly combines individuality, character, outstanding views and capability for year-round living quite as well as this one does, but we've got all of those boxes ticked and a fair few more besides that. The property itself consists of 3 buildings actually. The main home that you can see here to my left, 2 guest houses, 2 swimming pools, some fantastic outdoor entertainment spaces, and even a recording studio which has been put to very good use and to critical acclaim by its current owner. So if you're looking for a family home in a prime Ibiza location, I very much suggest you take a look around this one. Let's go and have a look.